Hello guys, Mehul here, back again with another new video, and today I will just show you something, then we'll start the introduction. Okay, so let's dive into it. So if I tell you guys this is a Notion site, will you even believe that? And you can see this reactive header, and when I click on it, it is showing these bubbles and all. It's great, right? But it's really just an Notion site. It has its own dedicated server, search bar as well. You can search here. As you can see, I have searched. The search will take a little bit of time, but yes, it have generated the search result. And to be honest, this is not using any kind of searching APIs like Algolia and all. Nothing, purely Notion based site. And as you can see, it is basically a cool looking blogging site with great glass morphing nav bar, and every A is clickable. Every blog is laid out here in a proper manner, in a good manner. Here are social media icons as well, and that changes color also when we are hovering on it. And if you click on something, you can see the blog as well. As you can see a sidebar menu which shows us the portion of the blogs as well. So yeah, great thing. And there's a react icon as like react, not react icon, like love like icon as well, that is directly connected to Twitter. So we are not doing that right now. And there is a repost retweet on icon as well, where I can retweet this blog as well from here. So great resource. And this portion looks like obviously looks like Notion. Now you can obviously can see that it look almost like look familiar like Notion. Yeah, as you can see it here. So, and they have used GitHub comments as their comment section. So that's also a clever integration. So how it is happening, like how they have built this? So basically, there's a repository that's called Notion Sites, and what it does, it takes your Notion and use it as CMS, content management system. And this total site is built upon Next.js for backend, and then it uses React Notion X library as well. And then all of these is deployed in Vercel. And obviously Vercel is free to use. Obviously you can use that, easy to use and all. And you can see the features here, like setup only takes a few minutes, single config file, robot support for Notion content via React Notion X, robust support, robust support for Notion content via React content X, Notion X, Next.js, TypeScript, React Notion, excellent page speed excellent but not search speed, and embedded GitHub Commons, lots of things. So this is basically it. This is the library. So do I have used it personally? Nope, obviously not, because I don't know Next.js. I don't know how to use Next.js. But will I use it in my future, or will I try it, or try implementing it on my own? Or obviously I think it's an open source project, so will I even consider contributing into it? Obviously yes, obviously yes. This is a great, I don't say it is a plugin, but great resource they have created. And I will obviously like to join them and contribute into their project. And obviously I will like to use it in my Notion sites or in my projects as well. because you can see one thing. If I implement this into my previous notion site, that is value added, so I will be able to provide a portion for search as well for that site of mine. And there is no plugin for searching yet for notion, but it will help me to provide that feature. So that would be great. That would be a great use case scenario for me. So obviously I will try to implement it. Basically that's it for this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, or if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel, because that helps a lot. And I'm still not 100 people strong. Please, please. So, and rather than that, if you know about some of the great resources, open sources, APIs, anything, please let me know about all of them in the comment section, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.